Why does your scanner show the P0140 engine code? What does it mean? P0140 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit, no activity, detected bank 1 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM isn't receiving voltage signals from this specific oxygen sensor, likely due to a problem with the sensor itself or its wiring. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, engine control module problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.